This right here is my 2013 Scion FRS. Now we have changed or modified every single component of this car over the past couple of videos. But one thing that we left on here from the previous owner was this tune. Now, I don't know the specifics of this tune. I don't know which platform this is tuned on. The only thing that I do know is this tune is crazy. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead, take the FRS out and do a sunset night-ish type of POV video, similar to the video that I did right over here. And on this video, we also had somebody leave a fat paragraph pretty much saying that we didn't push the car hard enough. So today, we're going to prove him wrong. Let's hop into it. So that right there was 2 minutes of absolute chaos. I tried my best to go ahead and get some outside shots of the pops and bangs as well. But yeah, that tune is ridiculous. That is a crazy tune. I'm not so sure how well the GoPro is picking it up, but in person, it is insane. One thing that this car really does need now is definitely a new clutch, a new flywheel, and if we're doing all that, I'm probably going to upgrade the throttle bearing anyways, but this car definitely needs its maintenance. Now the clutch it's not too bad, but it's definitely starting to slip a little bit, and it's also starting to feel a lot worse. I really don't know how to describe it without you guys actually feeling the clutch pedal, but it's feeling a lot more squishy, so I'm assuming that we're gonna need a clutch soon. We're closer to 900-ish kilometers away from 100,000 kilometers, and that's usually when you do a clutch replacement anyways. But for the clutch, I know it's probably gonna be a bit expensive. I'm most likely just gonna do an OEM swap because I really don't need anything crazy, and I think OEM is perfectly fine. Damn. S15? S14? I couldn't even tell. That was clean. really get to see this car in the nighttime, and this is pretty much how it looks in the nighttime. We have the head unit right over here, which I absolutely love and I'm always using. And then we also have some LEDs down here. Now, because you guys don't really see the car in the nighttime as well, you guys might have not even known that we added these. These are definitely a really cheap but great addition to your FRS BRZ 86, or honestly any car. They look really good and they definitely do help with nighttime driving. And for me, it actually just makes the interior in the nighttime so much better. So I definitely would recommend. That tunnel right in front of me is the closest tunnel that I have to me, and you guys are going to be able to hear the car even louder than it is normally. So I'm going to go ahead and put the windows down for you guys. This is going to be crazy. Absolutely crazy. I don't know how well the audio on the GoPro picked that up, but that was pretty loud. And now there's a Ford Explorer behind me. I'm gonna try my best to show it to you guys. So we might be getting pulled over because he is coming by pretty quick behind me. Oh, turns out that it wasn't a cop. Don't scrape, don't scrape, don't scrape. And we made it off of that one perfectly.
Approximately 10 hours later.
And we got some bubble tea right over here. This drink took 30 minutes to get, and pretty much what we got is a brown sugar roasted milk tea with some brown sugar pearls. This right here, if you guys haven't had it, is so fire. And I also just realized that I have no cup holders. But yeah, one thing I get complimented on all the time in my interior is the Starlight headliner right here. This is such a sick mod to do to your car, especially these cars. The FRS BRZ and 86s, they literally have the perfect headliner for this. The installation, it's a little time consuming, but it's super easy to do. So if you guys have this car, definitely do these Starlights. My only regret with these Starlights is I wish I did 600 pieces. This one that I have right here is about 450 pieces. But I wish I did 600. I think 600 would have looked a lot better, but I'm still super happy with this mod right here. It's definitely worth it. That was pretty much the nighttime POV. I'm really hoping that I got enough clips to go ahead and make a proper video for you guys. If you guys did enjoy today's video at any point in time, scroll down below, hit that like button. And if you guys are new here, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.